أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. To continue our الدرس الأول, the first lesson in Arabic class, in Arabic subject, we are now in number 6 exercises. اكتب كلمات تبدأ بألف لام في المكان المناسب من الجدول. Write words that start with ألف لام في المكان in the place المناسب which is appropriate, correct place من الجدول from this uh, جدول, from this column. And you have two columns, اللام الشمسية, the اللام الشمسية and the اللام القمرية. So you must have to think of the words that starts with alif lam, and then if that word will be under الشمسية or القمرية. The example of that is if you want to say ash-shamsiyah, this ash-shamsiyah itself, alif lam in the beginning and then the sheen, ash-shamsiyah. You cannot say al-shamsiyah. You must say ash-shamsiyah. Then you have one, two, three. You must have to look for three examples that will start with alif lam, but that will be under ash-shamsiyah. You will not pronounce the letter lam, but you need to go direct to the next letter after lam with shadda. That third letter will be with shadda. While al-qamariyah, al-lam al-qamariyah, the same as like the word al-qamariyah. You can say Allah, al-qamariyah. So you must hear and pronounce the letter lam in the word al-qamariyah. You cannot say aqqa like ash-shams. No. Alif lam al-qamariyah. Al-lam al-qamariyah, you can say al-qamariyah. So you can pronounce the al. That is the difference between ash-shamsiyah and al-qamariyah. So now, I will give you an example, but you must write it by yourself. In ash-shamsiyah, like for example, the word tabib, tabib. When you put that tabib with alif lam in the beginning, you will say at-tabib and not al-tabib. At-tabib. Then al-qamariyah, let us say al-muslimu, al-muslimu. So you're going to say muslimu, no, al-muslimu, because that name under the al-qamariyah. Next example in ash-shamsiyah, we can say at-talibu, at-talibu. You cannot say al-talibu, but say at-ta. The ta now here will be having shadda the same as ash-shamsiyah, ash-sha, the word ash-shamsiyah. Okay, at-talibu. The first example was at-tabibu, the doctor. Then the second example for ash-shamsiyah is at-talibu, the student. Okay, al-muslimu, the Muslim. And then another example for the al-lam al-qamariyah, we can say, like for example, al-madrasatu, al-madrasatu. That means the school, al-madrasatu. Another example of ash-shamsiyah, let us say as-sayyaratu, as-sayyaratu. So you can say al-sayyara, but say as-sayyaratu. And in al-qamariyah, let us say as-sayyara is the car. Al-qamariyah, let us say al-babu, al-bab, the door. Al-babu. You cannot say ab-babu, ab-babu. No, al-babu. So you must have your own words. You can find words under Ashamsiya and Al-Qamariyah. Then please WhatsApp it to me. Send to me the picture of what you wrote, what you are writing, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan. And then exercise number 7. اقرأ الكلمات السابقة مراعيا نوع اللام فيها. You must read the previous words while looking at the Alam al-Qamariyah from each word. So you must see the words if it is under the Ashamsiyah or al-Qamariyah. So you need to differentiate the two things, inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, let us proceed. Now, رتب الحوار التالي. You have this conversation, but what you are going to do is you need to arrange in order, meaning this conversation is disorder, so you need to arrange it. So now you have the number one here in number four. This is the number one, assalamu alaikum. Then of course the next one is wa alaikum assalam. Somebody is saying salam to you, then answer wa alaikum assalam. Then number three, Ummu Muhammad asking. Ummu Muhammad, some kind of talking in the telephone, as I can see the girl here. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Ummu Muhammad, that means, are you the mother of Muhammad? Then answer, La, ar-raqamu khata. No, ar-raqam, the number, khata is wrong. So wrong number. Then where's number five? It's here. But before this one, you can do this first by yourself before playing the video and looking at the answers. Ana asifa, I am sorry. Then the last one is ma'asalama, ma'asalama, goodbye. All right. So that is the continuation of the lesson number one. And of course, when you say ma'asalama, the last one here is you will answer also ma'asalama. Okay. So now proceeding to the next one is uktubil mu'annath. Uktubil mu'annath. In tadrib number 9. Muhammadun, exercises number 9. Muhammadun talibun wa aminatun talibatun. So you have talibun here for Muhammad as masculine, and you have talibatun here for Amina as feminine. So now here, Hamidun tabibun. Hamidun is a doctor. Tabibun. How about Fatima? Fatima is tabibatun. All right. Number 3. Huwa muslimun. He is a Muslim. Wahaya, and she is what? You answer for yourself and then look at the answer, the correct answer. Muslimatun. Hiya muslimatun. She is muslimatun. This is for the feminine. Al-babu ramadi. Color ramadi. That means al-babu ramadi. The door, the color of the door is ramadi. Ramadi is some kind of what they call this in English. Ramadi. Ramadi is a bit black, not so black, but little, slight black. That is Ramadi. And sujada, a sujada was sujadatu ramadiyatun. Ramadiyatun. Okay. And that is the color for the feminine, ramadiyatun. All right. So number 5, as you can see there, al-masjidu kabirun wal madrasatu. What is the feminine of madrasa? But going back first to the ramadi. Ramadi is like gray. Gray, that's light black. Gray, that's gray, okay? Ramadi is for masculine color, gray, and ramadiyatun is for the feminine color, gray. Al-masjidu kabirun wal madrasatu kabiratun. The masjid is big, wal madrasatu is big, but using al-mu'annath because madrasa is mu'annath kabiratun and al-masjid is masculine. All right. So to continue now, ad-darsu thani, lesson number 2, Baytu Sa'id. Baytu Sa'id, house of Sa'id. So now listen very carefully first from the audio before proceeding to the explanation of the lesson, inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
الدرس الثاني بيت سعيد. استمع ثم اقرأ. أنا سعيد وهذا بيتي. أمام بيتي حديقة صغيرة. بيتي جميل. هذه غرفتي فيها شباكان كبيران، وهذا سريري وهذا مكتبي. ساعتي وقلمي وكتابي فوق المكتب، وحقيبتي تحت المكتب. لي أخ اسمه حسين، غرفته كبيرة وغرفتي صغيرة. غرفة أخي جانب غرفتي، ولي أختان سعاد وفاطمة.
Okay, now let us read all together. You read after me. الدرس الثاني. Lesson number 2. بيت سعيد. The house of Sa'id. استمع ثم اقرأ. Listen very carefully and then you read. Okay? أنا سعيد وهذا بيتي. أمام بيتي حديقة صغيرة. بيتي جميل. هذه غرفتي. فيها شباكان كبيران. وهذا سريري. وهذا مكتبي. ساعتي وقلمي وكتابي فوق المكتب. وحقيبتي تحت المكتب. لي أخ اسمه حسين. غرفته كبيرة وغرفتي صغيرة. غرفة أخي جانب غرفتي. ولي أختان سعاد وفاطمة. Okay, you must also follow reading after me. And now I want to give you the translation that you must take down. Take it note, okay? For you to learn, for you to understand, and for you to memorize the translations of the paragraph and the words. بيت سعيد, the house of Sa'id. أنا سعيد, I am Sa'id. وهذا بيتي, and this is my house. أمام بيتي, أمام, in front. In front of my house, حديقة صغيرة, a small park or small garden. بيتي جميل, my house is beautiful. هذه غرفتي, this is my room. فيها شباكان كبيران, that has or in it two big كبيران, big windows. شباك is a window. شباكان, two windows. كبيران, two big windows. كبيران, two bigs. وهذا, and this is سريري. وهذا سريري, and this is my bed. وهذا مكتبي, and this is my table. ساعتي وقلمي وكتابي, my watch, my pen, and my book فوق المكتب, on the top of the table. وحقيبتي تحت المكتب, and my bag under my table. لي أخ, I have a brother, اسمه, his name, حسين. His name Hussein. غرفته كبيرة, his room is big. وغرفتي صغيرة, and my room is small. غرفة أخي, my brother's room, جانب غرفتي, beside my غرفة, in the side of my room. ولي أختاني, and I have two sisters, أختاني, سعاد وفاطمة, name Su'ad and Fatima. So this is the house of Sa'id. Now, the first exercises. التحدث والكتابة. Now you have here التحدث, the conversation and writing. The conversation and writing. So you must have to have the conversation and you must have to have the writing also. Now here, what is the instruction that this book wanted to do? تحدث عن بيتك. Talk about your house. وعن غرفتك, and about your room. وماذا يوجد فيها, and what is inside your room. What are the things that you have inside your room. ثم اكتب ذلك, and then write down those things. I want you to do that by yourself, and you can send me the WhatsApp, inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All right. Now, number 2, أجب عن الأسئلة. Answer the following questions. سعيد له أخ. Sa'id has a brother. ما اسمه? What is the name of the brother? Now you think about the name of the brother before proceeding watching the video. You pause the video and then write down Sa'id's brother. What is the name of Sa'id's brother? Then you write it down, and after that, continue watching the video and check it out if you wrote the answer correctly. Sa'idun له أخ. Saeed has a brother. ما اسمه? What is the brother's name of Saeed? What is the name of Saeed's brother? Okay, that is Hussein. أخوه حسين. أين الحديقة? Where is the garden or the park? Where is the garden? أين الحديقة? Then remember the story available about the house of Saeed. Then answer. And now after answering, continue the video. Continue watching the video and look at your answer if it is correct. Amam Bait Saeed, that is the place where the al-hadiqah located, the garden located. Now, number 3. Amam Bait Saeed, in front of Saeed's house. Number 3. ماذا يوجد في غرفة سعيد? What are the things that have inside Saeed's room? Okay, you think about the previous, the blank, and the blank on the top of the blank. All right. Now you can find also etc. there. All right. Now look at here. يوجد في غرفة سعيد شباكان كبيران وسرير ومكتب. All right. What are the things that have inside, or you can find inside Saeed's room? You have the غرفة, the room, شباكان كبيران, 2 big windows, وسرير, and the bed, and ومكتب. مكتب is the table. ماذا يوجد على المكتب? This one, the things that the blank on the top of the table. All right, you write it down, then play the video. يوجد فوق المكتب ساعة وقلم وكتاب. The watch, ساعة, وقلم, the pen, وكتاب, and the book. Very good. Now, next is the تدريبات. This kind of تدريبات. Number 1, أكمل, complete. أين محمد? Look at the picture. Where is that place? أين محمد? Where is Muhammad? هو في. You can answer and then pause the video, write down your answer, and after that continue watching. Check your answer if it is correct. محمد هو في المسجد. هو في المسجد. في المسجد. ألف لام القمرية. All right. Muhammad is in the mosque. أين ياسر? Where is ياسر? See that? Where is that place? هو في الملعب. In a playground. الملعب. Okay. الملعب ألف لام القمرية. المسجد ألف لام القمرية. الملعب ألف لام القمرية. أين آمنة? Where is Amina? See that? Where is it placed? Answer. Then play the video. Did you get the correct answer? المكتبة هي في المكتبة. آمنة هي في المكتبة. ألف لام القمرية also. المكتبة in the library. أين الكتاب؟ هو على. الكتاب هو على on the top. الطاولة. This one is الشمسية, not القمرية. It is الشمسية because you say الطا and not الطا. الطاولة. Okay, let us proceed. Number 2. أكمل الجملة بالكلمة المناسبة. Complete the sentences with the appropriate words as you can see here in this side. هذا السيارة البيت جميل جدا. So what is the appropriate word to be written here? Answer first, pause the video, and then play the video after answering and check if you wrote correctly. Okay, write down first all and then continue watching. Now, to correct your work, to correct what you wrote, we say هذا blank جميل جدا. السيارة أو البيت. Of course, you can see here هذا is for masculine. السيارة, is it masculine or feminine? السيارة, the car, has تاء مربوطة in the end, that is feminine. So you have هذا masculine. السيارة is not appropriate. Which one is the appropriate? البيت. هذا البيت. هذا البيت جميل جدا. This house is very beautiful. هذه, now feminine. blank كبيرة وجميلة. الكتاب, is it الكتاب؟ هذه. أو الحديقة. Alright, check the correct answer. الحديقة. هذه الحديقة because الحديقة is a feminine. كبيرة وجميلة. Not كبير and not كبيرة. Not كبير and not جميل. But كبيرة وجميلة because it is feminine. مؤنث. Number 3. هذا blank البيت الولد. Sorry, البنت أو الولد. البنت الولد. البنت is a daughter. الولد is a boy. All right. Bint is a little girl. Bint is a little girl. And الولد is a little boy. هذا is it البنت or الولد? Now check it out. الولد because البنت is a little girl. الولد is a little boy, and that is هذا for the masculine. هذا الولد صغير. That little boy is small. هذه blank جديدة. You have سيارة, car, قلم, pen. So you have هذه. هذه is for feminine. You say هذه. Which one is your answer? سيارة or قلم? Check your answer. سيارة. Because سيارة is feminine and هذه is for feminine. هذه سيارة جديدة. All right. Next. حول الأسماء التالية إلى صيغة المثنى. Now, you have these words, following word. You have al-mufrad, that means singular. Now we need to learn about the al-mufrad, the singular, and the al-muthanna, the dual. So, like for example, ukhtun, ukhtun, sister, one sister. Okay, how you say in Arabic for two sisters? You say ukhtani, ukhtani. So you add alif and noon in the end. Ukhtani or ukhtaini, ukhtaini. You add ya and noon in the end, and that noon will be always kasra, and this noon always kasra. Ukhtani and ukhtaini. So how about talibun? Talibun is a singular, one male student. How about for two students? You write down all of your answers first and then continue watching the video and check your work. Tabibun is a doctor. Waladun is a boy. Masjidun is a masjid, is a mosque. Okay, now check what you wrote if it is correct or wrong. Talibun, two students. Talibani or talibaini, talibani or talibaini. You must follow how we pronounce also the words, and also take note the meaning of each of the words for you to learn fast, inshallah. Next, tabibun. Tabibun is a one doctor, male doctor. How about for two doctors? How we say it? Remember, we said just add alif, la alif and nun, or ya and nun. Okay, so now tabibun, we add alif and nun, and ya or ya and nun, you say tabibani. See, tabib ba, tabibani, or tabibaini, tabibaini. All right. Waladun, little boy. For the two walad, just add also alif and lam or ya. Alif and nun. Waladun, add in the end alif and nun or ya and nun. So how you'll say it? Waladani or waladaini. Waladani or waladaini. Two little boys. Masjid. Again, add alif and nun or ya and nun. You say masjidani or masjidaini. Masjidani or masjidaini. Next. Now, اكتب الرقم أمام الضد المناسب. Now, you must write the numbers of the opposite word from each of the word. Like for example, number one written here, kabirun, kabir. You have the number one here. where you will write this number 1 here in these places. Number 1, what is the opposite of kabir? Kabir means big. So the opposite of big is small. What is small in Arabic? Then you write down everyone here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from these places, and after that you post first this video and you answer which one here is the opposite of each word in the word's left side. Then after that you play again the video and check your work if you got correct or wrong. Kabirun is big. What is the opposite of big? Look at here in the other side. Qadimun, that means old. Khalf, that means behind or back. Bintun is a daughter. Qalilun, that means little amount. Okay. Now you answered already and you want to check first if you got the correct answers. Number 1. Kabirun. The opposite of kabir, of course, is saghir. That's number 1 here. Qadimun, old. Means the opposite is new. What is new in Arabic? Jadid. Qadim is old. Jadid is new. Next, khalf. Behind, and the opposite is amam. Front. Bint, daughter. So what's the opposite? Waladun. And qalil, little. The opposite is much, many. Kathir. All right. Next. اكتب أسئلة وأجوبة كما في المثال. Write a question and answers, questions and answers according to the example in front of you. Like for example, لمن هذا الكتاب? Who is the owner of this book? For whom is this book? Al-kitabu, then kitab here. You have the word al-kitab. لمن هذا الكتاب? Then you have the word here, Muhammad. هذا الكتاب لمحمد. This book is for Muhammad. So you have al-qalam and you have Abbas. You have Sayara, you have Sarah. You have al-bint, you have Huda. Okay, how you give question in these 3 places and you give the answers in these 3 places. Pause the video, answer the questions, and after that you play it for you to see the answers. Okay, now your answer. Al-qalam. The question will be liman hada al-qalam? So the same. Liman hada al-kitab? Okay, liman hada al-qalam? For whom this pen? Who is the owner of this pen? The answer is هذا القلم لعباس. هذا القلم لعباس. Number 2. لمن هذه السيارة؟ هذه because سيارة is feminine. لمن هذه السيارة؟ هذه السيارة لسارة. Number 3. لمن هذا البيت? Who is the owner of that house? هذا البيت لهدى. هذا البيت لهدى. So that's how simple. So you need to write your answers, exercise yourselves in writing and understanding the lesson. اختر أداة الاستفهام مما بين القوسين. You choose which of the interrogative questions inside the close and open parentheses. Okay, you have the blank here, then you have the words there. You need to answer. Number 1. ماذا أين أنت blank أنت مصري and the answer is نعم, yes, أنا مصري, I am Egyptian. أنت مصري, are you Egyptian? نعم, yes, I am an Egyptian. أنا مصري. All right. Is that ماذا or أين? Okay, you answer first and then we will give the correct answer. كيف لماذا ماذا blank تدرس لأتعلم كيف how لماذا why ماذا what blank تدرس you are studying لأتعلم for me to learn. Okay, answer, they will give the correct answer. Number 3. أين, where, هل, do, ماذا, what, blank تفعل, you're doing. أنظف البيت, I am cleaning the house. Okay, select the correct answer. Number 4. لماذا, why, هل, do, كيف, how, blank تذهب إلى المدرسة. Go, you are going to the school. أذهب إلى المدرسة بالسيارة. I'm going to the school by car. Okay, now if you are finished answering, we'll give the correct answer and check your answer if it is correct. أنت مصري? Are you an Egyptian? نعم. Yes, أنا مصري. I am Egyptian. كيف? لماذا؟ ماذا؟ تدرس. لماذا تدرس? Why are you studying? Answer: لأتعلم, for me to learn. Number 3. blank تفعل. أين, هل, or ماذا? So that is ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? أنظف المكان, أنظف البيت. I am cleaning the house. لماذا, هل, or كيف, blank تذهب إلى المدرسة, going to the school. The answer is كيف, how. كيف تذهب إلى المدرسة? How you are going to the school. The way how you go to the school. How. أذهب إلى المدرسة. I'm going to the school بالسيارة, with car. So he is riding the car. Okay, next. اكتب الأسماء تحت الصورة. So you must write down the letters according to the pictures. All right. Number 1 is qalam. So this is an example. You have the words here, then write down here. What is this? This qalam. So this is qalam. Then pause the video. You answered first all of them, and after that you play again the video and watch your correct answer. This is qalam. Next one is mil'aqatun. This is mil'aqah, spoon. And this one, what is this? Kitab, book. What about this one? Qamis, shirt, qamis. How about this one? Bayt, house. And this one? Sa'atun, watch, the watch. This one is sayyara, car. And this one is babun, door. How about this one? Thallaja, fridge. This one is daraja, bicycle. This one is masjid, the mosque. This one is kursi, chair. How about this one? Qidr, qidr. All right. This one is knife, sikin, sikin. That is knife. And the next is waraq, paper, waraqun. And next one is shawkatun, shawkah. That is fork. Okay. That are the lesson number 2, Ad-Dars Al-Thani. So we are ended in this part, and inshallah the following lesson will be Ad-Dars Al-Thalith. That is all about the At-Tasawwuq. That means going to the market and making shopping. All right, At-Tasawwuq. And until here, وبارك الله فيكم وجزاكم الله خيرا وسبحان الله وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.